Alright, this is going to be the first problem we solve today on your homework. Please have that pulled up as we go along. So, if you read this problem here, it says a car starts from rest and accelerates for 3.7 seconds with an acceleration of 4 meters per second squared. How far does it travel? Okay, so we'll put that kind of problem up over there. And then we need to start going through and we need to identify the equation we want to use. So in this case it says how far. Of your 4 kinematic equations, we're going to typically use how far as the third equation, which is xf is equal to xi plus vit plus 1/2 at squared. Now the word rest there helps you kind of get rid of some variables. So the first thing we want to talk about is your xi. Okay, anytime you start from rest or finish at rest, that typically gives, or if you start from rest, it gives that a position of 0 meters. Doesn't always happen, but in this case it will be. Your initial velocity is going to be 0 meters per second because you started from rest. Your acceleration on this problem is 4.8 meters per second squared, and your time is going to be 3.7 seconds. Okay, so now let's see if we can pull up some more space. So we're going to actually plug this into the equation. xf will be equal to 0 meters plus 0 meters per second times 3.7 seconds plus 1/2 4.8 times 3.7 squared. Okay. Now, let me fix that 4.8 so you're not confused. Okay. So what happens to these guys right in here is that you're going to multiply by 0. So that'll actually go away. Anytime you add 0 to anything, you can actually get rid of this parts of the equation. So then that goes where you go to xf equals 1/2 4.8 times 3.7 squared. Okay, so whenever we fill those in, I forgot to write the units, so I went ahead and put that on there so we can kind of get rid of this guy here. Okay, so you do the math there and you get 32.856 meters. Okay, that's how you'll do the first problem. Please make sure that you use your numbers, not my numbers, whenever you're doing your homework.